Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you a simple way to make texture in Adobe Photoshop just using a couple steps. And what I'd love for you to do is take the processes and the steps that I show you today, implement them into your workflow, and I guarantee you'll be able to create some really modern, fresh, innovative pieces of work. First thing I'm going to do is get the type tool here and just simply click on the image, and I'm going to write Blue Sky Graphics. Okay, I just want to resize this. So I'm just going to click onto my move tool, and I need to use the keyboard shortcut of Command T for Mac users or Control T for Windows users. And I'm going to resize from the center point, pressing Option, seeing as I'm a Mac user, but if you're a Windows user, that's Alt to resize from the center point. Now, I need to reselect that type layer. So come to the layer thumbnail, and for Mac users, Command click, or for Windows users, Control click. And the next step, what I need to do is copy what's inside of that selection. So there's another shortcut, Command C for Mac users or Control C for Windows users. Now I can just deselect here, and I'm going to turn off that layer and add a layer on top of our original image. And with that layer highlighted, I'm now going to go to Filter, Vanishing Point. So what I now need to do is use this tool here, which is our Create Plane tool. And I need to create my plane. So I'm going to click here. Let's say we click about there, let's say. Click here and create my plane like so. Now with my plane created, what I'm now going to do is paste that type that I copied earlier, just simply pressing Command V for Mac users or Control V for Windows users. And I'm just going to click and drag that onto our plane here, like so. And as you can see, it pops onto that plane quite easily there. May resize it a little bit, so you can press the keyboard shortcut of Command T or Control T, depending on what system you're using. And I'm just going to resize that and just drag that out a little bit there, like so. And press OK. Now what I need to do though is create the texture. Okay, so what you do is we need to apply a layer style to this layer. So what you can do is come to this option here to get your layer styles open, but I just simply double click the layer and we have our underlying layer here, and we're going to split this. So that's Option click and drag for Mac users or Alt click and drag for Windows users. And now we can really sort of like mess around with these options here, and as you can see, look, texture is really coming through there, making it look really realistic. And there you have it, guys. That's how you simply create texture in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.